Local Laundry is a Canadian-made clothing company that aims to build community in everything that we do. Our Canadian-made garments are just the vehicle by which we connect and collaborate with people, but it's so much more than that.
We use our company really as a tool to try and create some positive change within the world, and we do that by creating Canadian-made socially conscious garments. The pandemic certainly caused a lot of challenges. We're talking supply chain, we're talking customer disruption, we're talking canceled orders.
Our big motto throughout the whole thing was you can't just sit back and wait for the world to go back to normal. You have to stay positive and take action. The best thing to come out of this pandemic is we saw an overwhelming amount of support from our customers and community. They wanted to not only support local, but they wanted to support Canadian-made.
I believe that consumers are shifting the way they buy, and they're looking to support companies that are doing good to their local communities, to the planet, environmentally. They're actually looking at the labels, they're looking at the brands in terms of what they do, not just what they say.
Everything we do is produced right here in Canada. The dyeing, the knitting, the cutting, the sewing, the cotton milling. Just by supporting Canadian-made, you're reducing your carbon footprint immensely, immensely, immensely.
No matter where you are in Canada, I think it's so important that you are shopping local and you're buying from Canadian businesses. Customer expectations have changed during the pandemic, right? Gone are the days when you can order something and not have any idea when it's going to arrive, what it's going to look like. So it's really important for us to work with someone like UPS because we know as soon as we put a shipment out, that customer has updates, they can get live tracking information, they can know exactly when that order is going to arrive, and 99% of the time, it's going to arrive on time.
When you're an online business, that's everything. The UPS fulfillment team, delivery driver, they're an extension of Local Laundry at the Local Laundry experience. They take care of the little things so we can take care of the big things.
I think the best advice that we always give to new entrepreneurs is just to start. I think everyone really suffers from that analysis paralysis.
Go take action, even if it's tiny little bit, like starting your website, getting your email, your social handle. Stop talking about it and do it. We really see the opportunity in many more collaborations with individuals, businesses, artists, athletes. We have a goal that we want to be able to raise $1 million for local charities across Canada by 2030. Future's bright.